Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pineapple, and today we are playing another Tower of Hell, coming at ya big. And we are doing Tower of Hell, like I said, but I keep announcing this because I'm just so incredibly excited. We have merch coming in soon. It's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna start up this Roblox video. So let's get the. Who would do fog? Okay. Tell me right now in the comments. Leave a comment down below if you hate fog in Tower of Hell if you play Roblox. And I bet you everyone will say they hate fog. If you like fog, what is wrong with you? Oh, I've done this one before. This one's actually really easy with jump boost. Last time I did this with jump boost, I was like, I blew through it. It was so easy. Except at that part, because you die, obviously. Wait a second. Oh, that's so cheat. Okay, so this is the one where nope, it isn't. So I'm gonna go this way. I don't know why everyone's dying. It's just confusing. Okay, I'm gonna do this. No, wait! Oh, I found such a good cheat. Whoever did this must be really mad at themselves, because whoever did this. Who did this? Please tell me. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way. Ugh, why does this keep happening? I'm sorry, guys. This is just my computer is like not really made for this. But I play Roblox a lot, so. No, what? One second. Okay, it's gone. Okay, so. What? Okay, I figured it out. I figured out how to get up there. So easy. So we are a noob, just telling you right now. Can't get up. Do 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 do. Nope. Okay, you can do it. Do do do. Everyone's dying. It's actually really funny. I'm getting up there like it's nothing now. And everyone's struggling to get up the way I came. Do, 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 do. How did someone make it? This is so difficult. I can't. That's stupid. This is so stupid. Oh! Wait a second. Oh! I made it. Okay. You gotta jump to gain speed. For some weird reason, that's what you have to do. Oh, this one's so easy. Okay. No! No, no. I'm thinking about going to pro, but I'm afraid like once I get there it'll be super easy and the time will almost be up. And like everyone's at the top and I'm the only one at the bottom. Whew! Oh, I'm gonna fail at this part. I bet at this last one I'm gonna fall. Nope, I made it. Whew! Wait, what is this? What? What? I'm so confused. Well, if you're new to this channel, please sure to smash the subscribe button with your printed out Roblox character, and I will leave a comment down below. Um, okay, so leave a comment down below. I'll be applying to you guys 30 minutes a day, so hopefully you guys will leave those comments so I can send them. I can reply to like almost all of you. Oh, well, apparently I only have like 2 minutes left in recording time, so hopefully you guys will subscribe to this video. Not this video. This one's really easy. I'm just really bad at it. No. Oh, guys, see you in this video. Bye.